Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reach the customer service or find help in the Amazon shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select the third option there, which are three lines. Press on it and here you will see the last option, which is customer service. Press on it. And now you should wait a little bit until the new page loads in, and you can see here that there are categories and subcategories under them. You can just check out one of these if you think your problem is listed. If not, you can also find help articles here. Once again, you might find your problem here, but if you're not finding it in any way, you can just press on the search bar up there and basically write in the specific problem and search for it. Now, for an example, I'm going to use a category and a subcategory. For example, login, address, security, and privacy. I just press on login and security. And in this case, once again, I have to choose a subcategory. I will choose password, email, or login. And here you can see the short answer for that you can basically change them in your account settings. You can just press on it, go ahead and change them. And if you need more help, you think that this short description wasn't helpful enough, you just have to press on I need more help below your account settings option. And there are three ways that you can find help here. You can chat with a customer service representative by pressing on start chatting now. You can request a phone call basically, so if you press on it, you should enter here your phone number, and after that just press call me now down below. And the last option that you can do here is just find answers in help articles. So you just have to type in like a keyword there and you might be able to find the answer for your problem. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.